In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a direct group in Slack. Whether you're managing a project with your team or just want to have a quick group chat, creating a direct group in Slack can streamline your communication. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your browser and navigate to the Slack website. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and do that. Once you're on the Slack platform, you'll see the homepage or dashboard depending on your settings. The next step involves clicking on the option labeled Google. This is typically situated towards the upper right side of your screen. Once clicked, you may be prompted to select your Google account, which helps integrate your Slack experience with other Google services you might be using. Select the account you'd like to associate with Slack. After selecting your account, you'll be asked to click on Continue. This step confirms the connection between Slack and your Google account, allowing seamless integration of your data and contacts. If you're using a new device or a new session, you might need to verify your identity. Once this step is complete, you'll find yourself back on the Slack dashboard. Now look for the option to use Slack in your browser. This is ideal if you prefer not to download the desktop app or if you're on a machine where you want to access Slack without installing anything additional. Simply click on Use Slack in your browser, and you'll jump right into the workspace environment. To create a new direct group message, direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar. Here you'll notice a direct message section. Locate the plus sign next to it and give it a click. A new window will open, allowing you to search for and add users from within your workspace. Here you can enter the names of the people you want to include in your group chat. Slack makes it easy to find users with its intuitive search bar. Just start typing a name and options should appear quickly. After you've added the desired users, it's time to type in your message. This introductory message could be a quick hello or a brief description about the purpose of the group chat. Whatever you choose to write, once you're satisfied with your message, the next and final step is to click on the Send button. This not only sends your message, but also creates and saves the group chat. You can now view this newly created group chat in your list of direct messages on the left sidebar of Slack. And there you have it, a group chat that allows you to communicate efficiently with multiple colleagues at once. If you ever want to revisit, modify, or expand your group, just follow a similar process. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this Slack tutorial useful.